Okay, our next topic is the viratridine chemical compound which act as a insecticide. Okay, as you know, we are dealing with the chemicals which act as a natural insecticide, and in that category, first we have seen about the azadirachtin chemical compound, right? The second one we have studied in this particular series is the rotenone. Then we have studied about the third chemical compound which is called as the rhinodone. Okay, and the fourth chemical compound which act as a natural insecticide we are going to see now is the viratridine. Okay, carefully remember the name viratridine, and it acts as a natural insecticide, and that is why we are going to consider some of the most important information which will be very important from the UPSC mains examination point of view. Now consider this is your syllabus. We are dealing with the paper number 1 and the chapter number 4, that is plant resource development, and we are here the plants as a sources for insecticides. Okay, so this time we are talking about the chemical compound or the secondary metabolite. It is called as the viratridine. Okay, viratridine is a natural chemical compound which is found naturally in the plant, and it acts as a insecticide. Okay, so from which plant this particular chemical compound is got extracted? The name of the plant is the, carefully write down the botanical name. Okay, it's called Shawnol Coulon. Shawnol Coulon, and the name of the species is officinale. Okay, so underline this as it is a botanical name. Name of the genus is the Shaunocolon, and the name of the species is the officinale. And actually, seed portion of this particular plant is used to extract this particular viratridine, and it belongs to the plant family which is called as the Liliaceae. Okay, all these things will be very important. The name of the plant, okay, that is the botanical name of the plant. Then what part of the plant which actually produces this insecticide, and the family of the plant to which this particular chemical belong. Okay, now the second thing you should remember about this particular chemical compound, that this is also a secondary metabolite. Okay, it's not a primary metabolite, it's actually a secondary metabolite, and it is classified as a steroidal alkaloid. Okay, carefully write down, it is classified as a steroidal alkaloid. Okay, actually majority of the plant insecticides are belongs to the alkaloid category. So here the steroidal alkaloid chemical compound we have with us is the viratridine. Okay, it is also a secondary metabolite which belongs to the subclass of the secondary metabolite called as the steroidal alkaloid. Now the most important part, that it acts as a insecticide, and its mode of action is actually the neurotoxic in nature. Okay, this is very particular because it acts as a neurotoxic, because earlier whatever the insecticides we have seen, these insecticides were not neurotoxic in nature, but they were doing something else. For example, blocking the calcium ion channels in case of the rhinodine, right? But here the viratridine, this particular steroidal alkaloid, is a neurotoxic for most of the insect, and due to this neurotoxicity they are able to kill these particular insects. Okay, actually the specifically class are there which are called as the Lepidoptera. Okay, carefully write it down, Lepidoptera, and the leaf hopper types of the uh, insects are actually killed by these particular neurotoxic poison which is called as the viratridine. Okay, so the mechanism of action is neurotoxic in nature, and this particular neurotoxicity is very low in case of the mammals. Okay, it is only harmful for the insect, and hence this makes this particular chemical compound very useful against the insect. Okay, and the one thing you should also remember regarding this particular chemical compound, that this extract from the seed is famously called as the sabadilla. Okay, and the one chemical which is important portion of this sabadilla is the viratridine. Okay, so here you should remember that viratridine is the insecticidal chemical which is extracted from the Shaunocolon officinale plant, and the seed portion of it is actually responsible for the production. Okay, and it belongs to the Liliaceae plant family. Okay, and its secondary metabolite, it is steroidal alkaloid actually, and it has a neurotoxic nature, and hence it readily kills the insect. Okay, and it is this particular extract which is created out of the seed, it is famously called as the sabadilla. Okay, so all these points you should remember carefully from the UPSC mains examination point of view. All right.